Hello, what is up everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Porsche 911 GT3. So number 10 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Factory Fresh. Let's go ahead and open this up. So I've did a review of this car quite a lot of times by now. I did the Hot Wheels one, I did the Mini GT one, so I won't be explaining much in here because you could refer to the Hot Wheels and Mini GT review previously. So this is the second release of this car. The first one was basically in the blue. There's one type of blue, but I forgot what's the name. But the first color was in blue. Now it has returned in this beautiful matte black, and to be honest, it looks pretty great. It actually looks better in matte black, not gonna lie. Many people are gonna be fans of this car, the color, because of the matte black color scheme. It looks pretty great. I mean, like, who doesn't want this car, this particular 911 GT3 in this type of matte black? It looks better in this type of color actually. So let's take a look at the car itself. So here it is, Porsche 911 GT3. Not the RS. The RS has not released yet currently. So you have some sort of triangle shape rims, as you can see right here, in more of like a gray, dark gray. And then yeah, you have some cleanness of the car right here. Very clean. The sides and the whole car itself looks pretty nice. The front, you have the headlights which are connected to the windshield, which kind of sort of looks like it's in black as well. Turns out it's not. There's the Porsche logo. You have some air vents on the front right there. Front grille. Not gonna explain much here. Rear spoiler, and then you have the rear lights, and also the license plate. So about this car, it looks very nice actually. It looks very great. I like the matte black color that they use here instead of the normal blue that you have. Instead you get matte black, but it looks much more better in matte black, to be honest. It looks pretty great. And there you go, that's my review of the Porsche 911 GT3. Thanks for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.